Hey kids, welcome back to another exciting adventure with the Puppet Pals. Are you ready to join the Puppet Pals and help a big sleepy Yeti get ready for bed? It's going to be so much fun. Today we're going to meet the Yawning Yeti and guide him through a fun and cozy bedtime routine. He's a bit shy, but with your help, he'll be ready for a good night's sleep in no time. So let's go. First, let's give our Yawning Yeti a big warm welcome. He's been waiting all day to meet you. Can you all say, "Hi, Yeti," as loud as you can? Great job. Now, our Yeti is super sleepy, but he needs our help to get ready for bed. He's had a long day of adventures, and now it's time to wind down. What's the first thing we do before bed? That's right, we brush our teeth to keep them nice and clean. Look, the Yeti has a giant toothbrush. Isn't it funny? Let's show him how to brush his teeth properly. Up and down, round and round. Don't miss a spot. Can you brush your teeth with the Yeti? Let's do it together. Awesome, now the Yeti has sparkly clean teeth. He's so happy you helped him. Next, it's time for a cozy bath. Baths are so relaxing and help us get ready for a good night's sleep. Let's fill up the tub with warm water and lots of bubbles. The Yeti loves bubbles. Do you like bubbles too? Wow, look at all those bubbles. The Yeti loves to splash around. Can you splash with him? Splash, splash, splash. Now he's nice and clean. After the bath, it's pajama time. The Yeti has some fuzzy pajamas to keep him warm. Can you help him put them on? One arm, two arms, and all done. He looks so snuggly. Now let's read a bedtime story. The Yeti has a favorite book. It's called The Sleepy Snowman. Let's all snuggle up and read together. Once upon a time in a snowy village, and they all lived happily ever after. Isn't that a nice story? Finally, it's time for the Yeti to go to bed. Let's tuck him in with his cozy blanket. Can you say goodnight, Yeti? Shh, he's drifting off to sleep. Thanks for helping the Yawning Yeti get ready for bed. He couldn't have done it without you. Make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to join the Puppet Pals on more fun adventures. Sweet dreams, everyone. Good night. Remember, every night can be an adventure with the Puppet Pals. See you next time. Good night. Sleep tight and don't let the bed bugs bite.